Alright, buddy, welcome back via Cycle House. We're up here again, and I got the frame set up. I've got the last part I'm waiting on. I'm going to use Jerry's MIG, get it zapped on. Got my kickstand. Going to get that welded on real quick, and then we're going to start the cleanup process. Get this frame cleaned up, ready to powder coat. You get a glove on here. Okay, machine's on, gas is on, good. Check our wire here. Good. Alright, we are ready to go. Stand back and kind of check it here, make sure it's at the right angle. That's looking good. We're going to burn it in. Alright, I think we are good to go. And yeah, if you guys have never tried to weld upside down, it's not the easiest. Got it all burned in. Oh, yeah, it's looking great. Sorry for the lighting there. Oh yeah, looking good. Up here looking good too. On anytime I put on a kickstand mount, I like to do a double hot pass across there. Really get them burned in. Because this one up here, there's a little extra weld. I can grind it down. Let me stand it back up here. There we go. So I grind that one down, get it all flushed up, get the rest of this frame cleaned up. I went ahead and cleaned up some of it already with the grinder. So, you know, the mount. So yeah. Get over here in the sandblast booth and we're good to go. Sorry about all the noise from the welder. Okay, got all finished up over here. And now we are, yep, waiting on Steve to finish up over there. Jerry's working on one too. Yep. Starting the cleanup process. I've been over here with the flap wheel and the grinder, cleaning everything up. The steel had the, you know, flat steel has that shiny stuff. You got to get off there, otherwise nothing will stick to it. And the tubing, everything, it's just got to be cleaned up, ready to go in the booth. I can't put it in the spray booth with anything dirty on there. We keep the sand super clean, and for cleaning stuff, you can't put dirty stuff in the sandblast booth. Not a good idea. And we're trying to get it as clean as possible overall, just because it's just good for everything. Keeps the sand, it makes the sand last longer, so we're good. So, you see some of the shiny bits here. Been grinding over here like crazy. And this one, I still need to grind all of this one. See the black, that black scale, there's many names for that, but you can see where it's ground here, but not here. That's all got to go because even the sandblaster won't take that scale off of there. So we got to get that off with the flap wheel is the easiest way to get it off there. So, yep, over here digging for a minute, getting it done. All right, got it all finished up. Oh, and it's getting hung up on the rack so we can hang it up here and get the coating on it. All right, let's get it going. Yeah.
Come that way, right about there.
You can come your way.
No, it's fine right there. So we'll get your hose.
Gonna clean it off. Warm up the oven. We're gonna put it in the oven. Slide it over in the oven and get it pre-baked. Warm it up so it can be clean and ready for some coating.
All right, it's ready. Get it on the bottom one and see if we can get a hit. So set a timer for about 5
Let it
minutes.
warm up.
We wanted to heat it up a little bit before we did this was so the like crevices and things like that on these frames, so it'll help the primer take a little bit more. So.
And we're going to put a primer on it, guys. We're putting a primer on it that helps all the powder get in these nooks and crannies. Because on these frames, there's lots of little hidden spots. Luckily, Steve's done a fair share of them, so he knows what's going on. Okie dokie. Got everything primered up, looking good. Looking real good, actually. Ready to take a good coat of red. We also got the fender hung up. So now we're going to put a coat of red on the fender too. And we should be good to go. Get it warmed up over here. Get it baking. quite colorful.
So,
Yep.
I'll just have you go.
Yep.
Just right in the arrow, just spin right this way. We don't have much that overhangs on these, so yeah, about 3/4 of an inch or so.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So yeah, we're gonna give the fender a second coat here. It's looking like it's a little bit light. We noticed some areas where it could use a recoat. Steve said we're gonna let it cool down, hit it with a second coat. But over here, guys, wow. Steve, what an amazing job, brother.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Wow. For a mini bike, this thing is gonna be gorgeous. Wow. I can't wait to see it fully assembled. Whew. Alrighty. One more coat on this fender here and we're going to be good to go. Wow, that is looking good, guys. Okay, guys, we got one more coat on the fender. It's going to get baked in the good old hot shot. Get her locked down here. All right, hot shot getting it done. And over here, guys, I'm so happy we did this and picked this color. I always second guess this stuff because I'm not a finisher. I'm a starter and a doer. Jerry and Steve are my finishers. And that color, guys. I'm so happy. and this one showed up too. You guys might want to take a peek. It made me real happy. This was my first bike ever. I had an ATC 175. It's a 200. Oh, I almost want to take it for a ride. Oh, it's so sweet. I love these little three-wheelers. Oh. This one even has the front suspension. It's got the rigid rear, so good for pulling wheelies. I loved my 175. It was my favorite bike ever. My grandpa finally traded it in one day on a four-wheeler. I came up, was like, where'd my three-wheeler go? It was gone. I was bummed out big time. Love it. Yeah, guys, we're good to go. As soon as this frame gets cooled off, we're going to be ready to ride. Ready to get it fully assembled. We're good. Jerry finished it up. Jerry wanted to help too. Yep, Jerry came back and helped us finish up the fender. So,
Right. Well,
yep, we're good to go.
Right. Sounds good, Ben.
So, like, share, and subscribe. Way more to come. Next vid is going to be us fully assembling that in the basement. I'm going to take everything back to my house. We're going to get it fully assembled. Get that Predator 212 fired up. Here we come, guys. Way more to come, as usual. Thanks for watching. Let's ride.